There's no magic formula to cure a broken heart, that's for sure. On the flip side, there isn't a love potion that I know of that's going to make someone fall for you. What you can do is increase the odds, you will get the girl you want by following these expert and practically proven tips. Stay tuned. Hi guys, it's Tom from Tom Wayne Media, teaching you how to get a girl, while still being your genuine self, and today I'm going to show you how to make a girl fall in love with you, and we are starting right now. Open your ears. Girls like a man that's going to listen to their problems, and when you open your ears, and let them talk, you are one step up on any other guy in pursuit. Make sure you don't push her to make a decision. She just wants you to listen so she can work it out. Of course, if she asks for your advice, you should give it. Just make sure you aren't pushing too hard with it, or she'll close the door fast. Give her compliments. Who doesn't like a nice compliment now and then? Just please don't give her fake praise, or she will kick your butt to the curb fast. Make sure the compliment is genuine and sincere and not too deep. If you overdo it, I can guarantee this pointer will backfire big time. Flatter her a little and she will reward you handsomely. Give her all of your attention. I know this one isn't so easy considering the technology we've got to our fingertips. If you are serious about showing this girl you deserve to have her fall in love with you, then you need to keep all eyes on her. This means putting your phone away and definitely not watching other girls walk into the room. You will come across as a prick if you can't give her your full attention. The choice is yours. Tell her how much you enjoy spending time with her. This can come in all sorts of different shapes and forms. You can tell her face to face that you really enjoy hanging out with her. Another route is to drop her a text or email to make sure she knows that she's in your mind. Or you can drop her a line on social media. You just want to make it crystal clear that you like being with her. She needs to know that if you are going to be successful making her fall in love with you. Music makes the heart grow fonder. There's just something about a man that sings. Girls go crazy over it. Yes, there's just something about a bad boy rock star. This doesn't mean you have to be a rocker to get a girl. But if you've got some singing skills in your back pocket, that's a good thing. If not, just show her you are passionate in some other genre. Passion is perfect when combined with love. Surprises are magical. When you take the time to surprise her, you will win your way into her heart. Shoot her a message at work to let her know you are thinking about her. Leave her a voicemail or note in her purse to make her smile. This just reiterates the fact you are a thoughtful man that deserves her attention. Be caring. This goes without saying, but when she is feeling under the weather, you need to show her you'll take care of her. Make her soup, or bring her a box of Kleenex. Do whatever you need to in order to help her feel better quickly and get back in her feet. This is the sort of thing that shows a girl it's about time she fell in love. Hard and fast works. Thank you so much. Thank you for being a subscriber, and if you haven't, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video.